Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I'll show you how to actually structure your posts on Tumblr, sites.google.com, and blogger.com or blogspot.com. And before I do that though, I just want to show you some proof that this actually works and that I'm actually ranking and not just making stuff up. So let me just go incognito here. And this is a proxy that I'm using. So this is from Google USA. So I'm just going to type in a bunch of reviews that I've done, and I'll show you that I actually know what I'm doing. So let's do easy passive paydays review. See where I'm ranked, and we can see that I'm ranked number 1 there. We can then take a look at traffic victory review, and we can see that I'm ranked number 1 there as well. And there's my video right under Jono's video. Then we can go up and we can take a look at traffic takeover, and we can see that I am ranked as the second website. So there are 3 videos first here, so I'm actually ranked number 5, I guess, but the second website. If we take a look at the next one, which is Udwalla, let's take a look at Udwalla. We can see that I'm ranked number 1 here. If we go to traffic flood, we can see that I'm ranked number 1. If we go to this one, weight loss niche domination review, you can see that my video is ranked number 1 and my website is ranked number 2 or number 3, I guess, since there's a website here. Videos 3.0, I don't think I'm ranking very well for this one because I messed a couple things up here. Videos 3.0 review. I think I'm ranked on page 2. Okay, I'm actually number 3 on websites. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess. Loop it review. And you probably get the point here. Number 1 here as well. I could actually keep doing this for a while, but I guess we'll just get to the point soon, or I don't know. Let's see. Elasso review, number 2. And then if we go to page 1 of my website, let's just go a little bit further. Let's do a couple more. Story XY review. Okay, this one I'm actually ranked number 5, so that one I kind of messed up as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not that great. Ninja shop review. Number 1. Cool. Pixel Modo review. Number 2. Cool. Easy Magic video. Just a bunch of videos, and then a number. Okay, that one I didn't do well with at all. So it's not 100% working, I guess. Traffic lights review, number 1. Fast Cash 5 review, number 1. Matrix review, number 1. Cool, and I got my video there as well. Project Profit Academy, this is not a typical launch. I won't be ranked at the top just yet. Ranked number 4, which is pretty cool. This is a $2,000 product. 60-minute flips. My video is the first one, and then my website is also the first website. And then finally, let's do Profit Rain review. My website is number 1, and my video is also the only video on page 1. So as you can see, I kind of know what I'm doing, and I know this was some way think it was a waste of time, but I just wanted to show you some proof that I actually know what I'm doing, and it's all because of what I'm going to teach you right now. I didn't really want to teach you this method, but I'll do it anyway. And we'll see if anyone actually takes action. I kind of hope to see myself outranked. I'll be completely fine with that, but let's get started. So once you've set everything up, as I showed you in the previous video, how to connect your social media accounts, you're going to need to post to them as well, and it's super simple. I'll show you some example posts, and this is what you should do as well. So if you go to Tumblr, this is what I wrote. I went to I posted my video, and then I just wrote, hey everyone, welcome to my 60-minute flips review. And as you can see here on 60-minute flips, this is clickable. This is my anchor text. So if I click this, I'm going to be taken to my website right here, 60-minute flips. So what you should do here is, so basically, if I click this one like this, copy link, this is where it's going here. So just use your own, or use the product name review if that's what you want to rank for. So for example, if you want to rank for 60-minute flips review, this is what you should do. So this way, you're having your anchor text, and you're also having your video here as well, which is pretty cool. So that means you're going to kind of get a backlink from Tumblr that will go to your video and to your website if you have a video as well. If you just want to do a website or the other way around, just do it like this. You can just use your video here, and you can use a link like this that goes to your video as well. That's fine. That's kind of like 2 backlinks in one. As you can see, I didn't write anything else. If you feel like I did miss something, let me know and I'll try and clarify. That was it. That's my post on Tumblr. This is what most of my posts on Tumblr looks like as well. We'll take a look at some other ones. You'll see that they're all very short, like this one. Hey, it's Jonas. Just posted my profit rain review. Again, this one went to my website, so I got a backlink from Tumblr that went to my website. Exact match here. So on my website, I figured you wanted to take a look at it. That was it. That was it. A video and like a 1 sentence with the anchor text. You can scroll down here a bit more as well. You can take a look at the Project Profit Academy, for example. Project Profit Academy review, and again, there's pretty much no text at all. It's not necessary. Patrix review, just super short as well. Patrix review being the anchor text. That's Tumblr. That's all you need to know. If you take a look at sites.google, I do things a little bit differently, but not really. So I write a little bit more here. So, hey everyone, welcome to my brand new in-depth 60-minute flips review. Again, this one, if you take copy link, I'll show you where it goes. Guessed it, my website, 60-minute flips review. So just a tiny bit of information about, like, this course is created by Lance Groom, and it's going to show you how to buy domains really cheap and then how to sell them for more money, basically. I know this works because I recently co-launched a similar product, and our students there are getting fantastic results. If you want to watch my video review of 60-minute flips, and this anchor text here, video review of 60-minute flips, is going to my YouTube video, and I'll show you that here as well. So we paste that, you can see it just goes straight to YouTube. And then I just have another link that goes to my website. So if you prefer to read, you can actually watch it there too, since I embedded it on my site. You can do so on my website. And then I just do a direct link to my actual website. And then if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks a lot, Jonas. That's how pretty much all of my posts here on sites.google look like. So if you take a look at Traffic Lights Review, for example, pretty much the exact same thing. Traffic Lights Review, some content. You can watch my video review of Traffic Lights here. If you want to read my full review, go here. And then that's pretty much what all of them looks like. Udwala review is my video review, and a link back to my website. That's all you have to do. Super, super simple stuff. After that, we've got the last one, which is, did I show all of them already? Sites.google. No, I got this one left. Blogspot. So again, as you can see here, pretty much no content at all, except I do one thing different here. So just something simple. Hey, it's me again. Back at the post. This time I've looked at domain flipping products from Lance Groom. You can check out my 60-minute flips review right here if you want. That one will go to my website, and I'll show you that as well. So copy link and paste, and you can see it goes to my website. Then I embedded my video here. And that's very simple. It's going to be a little icon that this little video clip. Just click on that one, paste your YouTube video, and it'll look like this. And then I just wrote a little bit more. It's a really in-depth course that will teach you everything you need to know about domain flipping. It's co-launched by my good friend and business partner Trevor Carr, who you'll see on the sales page, etc. Thanks for watching, reading. Now, what I'm doing here, and this is why I would suggest you to start your first post with sites.google. It doesn't really matter though. If you've already done it, it's like, oh crap, I messed up. No, you didn't. But what I do at the bottom here, I add a link to sites.google to the one that I just posted, the 60-minute flips one. So if I open this one up again, because I think I closed it. So I just take the URL from this one, and I paste it in my Blogspot link at the bottom. That's it. That's how simple it is. So by all means, take a look at my posts here. Maybe I'll drop a link to them so that you can take a look and see exactly what it is that I'm doing. But this is how easy it is. You don't have to be worried that you have to do, first of all, like a review of 800 words, something like that, and that you also have to then write another review basically on these. No, it's fine. I don't even know how many words this is, like 100 maybe, if that, maybe like 70 words. So just make sure you have product name review as the anchor text here. Make sure you embed your video if you have one. If you don't have a video, that's fine. You don't need a video. And then just on this one as well, I typically link out to my sites.google here as well, so that I'm kind of creating a link wheel, which means that I'm going to get a backlink from Tumblr, sites.google, and Blogspot to my main website, and then sites.google is going to get a backlink from blogspot.com, and I just kind of mix it up a little bit, but that's what I typically do, and that's honestly it. That's what I do. And then once you've done this, now here comes the important bit. You're going to need to go and so once you've actually added these to your Search Console, so just copy this for now. Go to Search Console and then go and click the one that you want to use. So for now, I went to Blogspot, so I'm just going to click here. Go to Crawl, Fetch as Google, and then just paste the new post that you just made that is going to link to one of your pages. As you can see here, I'm not making this up. This is since the 18th of May. I've done it for Traffic Lace, Fast Cash 5, Paytrix, Project Profit Academy, 60-minute flips, Profit Rain. These were just a couple of days ago. So just make sure that you don't have any. Just take a look at the domain here, for example, reviewbyjonas.blogspot.com. That's my domain. So I can't use all this. I need to get rid of everything up until here. So you're going to use this link. 2018 06 or whatever month it is when you're watching this, and then just basically the end of your article here. So this is what you're going to copy. You then just click fetch, and it's going to ask you if you're a robot. You're going to say that no, you are not a robot. And if you're watching this video and you are a robot, unfortunately this method is not going to work for you. So you're going to do that, and since I've already done this, I'm not going to do this now, but you click request indexing, and let me just do that for you, and it's going to look like this. So I'm not a robot, and then you're going to click crawl only this URL. You click go, that's it. That's the only thing you have to do, and you're going to do the same for the other ones as well. So you're going to go back to sites.google.com, and I'll show you that one as well. So you're going to copy this, and the only thing you need here is, I'll just copy it all for now, and I'll show you. Fetch as Google, we're already there. So as you can see here as well, the only thing you need here is the last bit. You already have this site/Jonas Lingens review, so let's add everything. I'll show you what you don't need, which is everything from here. So the only thing you need is the product name review, really, like that. And again, you click fetch, you click request indexing, and once you've done that, a couple of seconds later, they will be indexed and you will see a boost in your rankings. Now, I do want to be completely honest. When I first got started with this a couple of weeks ago, my first, I think, 3 or 4 or 5 reviews, they were a little bit up and down. Some of them were ranked at the top right away. Some were ranked like number 7 or 8, and then after a couple of days, they moved up. But what I did notice is the more I did this method, the more I kept at it, the easier it was for me to rank. And these days when I'm doing a review like this, I'm almost always ranked at the top 3 right away as soon as my website gets indexed, and that's pretty cool. So the more content you have, the easier it's going to be to rank. So if you do one review like this and you're not ranked right away, or maybe you're ranked on page 2 or something like that, don't give up. Do another review, and if the same thing happens there, do another review, and keep doing it until you make it, basically. That's what I would do, and that's what I did as well, because I did notice after a little while, I think, what was this? I remember that, for example, Pixel Moto, I didn't rank well during the actual launch period. Easy Magic Video ranked like page 3. Ninja Shop, bottom page 1 or at the top of page 2, and then somewhere around here, things started changing. Like Elasso, I think I didn't even rank that well either, but it popped up after a couple of days, and I think once I had done like, I don't know, 10 reviews or something, Google started seeing my site as more of an authority site, which means that you're going to have an easier time ranking for everything pretty much. And Traffic Lace, I was ranked really well all the time. Fast Cash 5, I was ranked really well. Paytrix ranked really well. Project Profit Academy, really well. 60-minute flips, really well. Profit Rain, really well. So it'll get better for you. So just keep on adding more content to your website. That's what I would do. And again, if you go to Search Console for your actual website, that's what you're going to want to do as well. So when you publish your review, when this is published, just grab this, go to Search Console, go to, where are we? That's the one I want to use. And you can see here, fetch is Google. So you can fetch as both desktop and mobile if you want. It's going to be the same URL. So again, like this, you don't need this first bit, just the name here. So 60-minute flips review, for example, you click fetch, and then you can just go and click here. You can do it on mobile as well. Click fetch, and then you click request indexing. You're done. Your website is going to be indexed. It's going to be seen on the Google search engines. And once you add these in as well, you're most likely going to be ranked at the very top. And again, as I said, though, if you're not ranked at the top right away, if it's a brand new website, keep at it and you will be ranked. And that's all I have to say. Also, if you have a host that has Let's Encrypt on it in the cPanel, that means you can install HTTPS or SSL right away. If you have that option, do it. If not, it's not super important, but having SSL is fairly important. And if you can't find SSL, ask your host if you can get one free SSL certificate and if they can install it for you. So that's going to make it look like this, HTTPS instead of just HTTP. And I'm not going to go into that anymore right now because it's very easy to get it installed in that case, and in most cases your host will be able to do it for you. I'm personally using CrocWeb, which is a Canadian hosting company. I pay $5.95 per month. So if you don't already have a hosting company, that might be an option. Let's show you that one. crocweb.com. And they do have Let's Encrypt. So what that makes you do, you can basically click in cPanel, it says Let's Encrypt, and you can then 2 seconds later basically have SSL on your website, which is pretty cool. But if you don't have it, I don't know if I would change my host because of that, probably not. But ask your current host then if you can get SSL and make it happen. But that's it. That's the whole ranking process here is really easy. And if you're still not ranked after like 5 or 10, you can try and adding some social signals as well. So for example, I typically do Twitter. But this happens automatically from YouTube. I'll show you that. You can set that up yourself. So if I go to my account here, you'll see timeless traffic review, for example. It's automatically uploaded through YouTube when I upload a video, and you can set that up yourself, and that will give you a backlink to your video. And you can do the same here as well, Profit Rain. So just drop a link, just say Profit Rain review or product name review, and drop a link to your website. That's it. You don't have to do anything else. That's something you can do as well to just get a little bit more oomph. And that's it. That's all I'm doing to rank these websites. But as I said, just put out good content. Keep at it, index them like this, you'll get fast rankings. And if you need any tips like Jonas, what should I write on my review, just go to my website and take a look. I can't really give you any tips. I just write, I go through the product, then I write what I feel. I add some pictures from the members area, and I mean that's it. This review was like 700 words, I think, 600 words, and just do it. And if you have any questions, let me know. If not, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you'll go out and rank some websites and videos now. I'll see you soon. Thanks.